Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10s, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. It's not this one, but this one. Now let's tap on edit contact in the right lower corner. And here let's tap on the camera icon, which is on the left section. And here we've got two different options, so we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option. And here we have to decide where we want to complete this option, this action. So I will pick the gallery. Of course, give all the permissions it needs and find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. Here we have to decide where we want to crop the picture, so let me pick Google Photos and tap on OK. And as you can see, here from this tab we can change the position of the photo, we can change the size of this highlighted square, we can also zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. If you want to, you can rotate the picture, it's up to you how you want to set it. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Save Copy. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see, our photo has been added to the contact. It will be also visible on the contact list right here, or for example whilst all incoming calls from that number or whilst texting. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your TCL Tab 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.